Hi, I'm Amy.
And I'm Courtney with Echo Parts, and today we're going to go over some common questions about thermostatic mixing valves, how they are used, and how to know when to replace them.
Courtney, what does a thermostatic mixing valve do?
They blend hot and cold water to ensure a safe temperature at the water outlet.
Why do we need a thermostatic mixing valve?
Because they accurately blend hot and cold water to prevent scalding when it comes out of the outlet, which can be very dangerous.
Where are these valves used?
In a commercial facility, you'll find them in two different locations. The first being a point of use, which will be at the shower or the faucet, and the second being either a group control or a master thermostatic mixing valve, which controls multiple at a time.
When does a thermostatic mixing valve need replaced?
A thermostatic mixing valve needs replaced when the water fluctuates at the point of use, such as the shower or the faucet. A proper functioning mixing valve will have constant temperature at all times.
When do you need to pair a temperature gauge with a mixing valve?
You only need to do this when it's also in conjunction with an eye wash.
Why are thermostatic mixing valves the preferred water temperature controlling devices in large facilities?
Because they maintain a maximum outlet temperature, no matter if the pressure or the flow differs, depending on the outlet's location of the water source.
Give us a call or visit our website today to find repair parts or fixtures for your facility. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Have a great day.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Yay! I got that.